Yo guys, it's Morgs, and today me and the squad are going to show you how to do your makeup nice and cute for school without being late.
You can take my flesh if you want, girl, but baby don't abuse it.
Hi guys, welcome to another video. I decided to do a makeup tutorial that nobody asked for. I decided to craft my own makeup routine so I wouldn't have to spend so much time trying to get ready for school. If you're okay with your acne or dark spots showing, this is a good tutorial for you. I personally don't care if people see my dark spots or not. The first 3 instruments of my makeup routine: this Mary Kay primer, put it under my eyes, my forehead, my eyebrows. I know that sounds crazy, but on my eyebrows and on my nose. Then I rub that in. You can use any primer, I assume. I just generally use the Mary Kay primer because that works better for me. I personally have oily skin, so doing this helps me keep my face fairly matte throughout the day. Next, I go in with the Ruby Kisses concealer, all day cover concealer in the shade 12 or chestnut. Basically, you just want a concealer that is practically a T to your skin tone. And then I go in with the Born to Glow Radiant Concealer by NYX. This is Mahogany. I'm not sure if they sell it anymore. I tried looking on Amazon. I'm not even sure. Let's just put that in on the inner side. And you're gonna go in with the Ruby Kisses once again and put it on your forehead. To put it on your forehead and then like this little middle area here, it makes that area kind of brighter. So then it just looks like, you know, you're just shining out. Before I blend that out, I kind of let that sit a little bit. This does not have a name. Either that or the name has come off, which it looks like that's the truth. I literally cannot tell you what this is. Just get a brown liner. It says it has vitamin A and E in it. Brown liner, it doesn't have to be sharp, but I'm sharpening mine because it's too dull for my liking. And then you just color it in, but not too much. Generally, I just do the spots that are slightly balder. Next, you're going to get your, then next I use the e.l.f. Mist and Set setting spray, but basically I spray it 2 times while squeezing it, but I'm gonna do it one more time because I don't think I got enough. You just go in first with your eyes, so then it will get the most. It will like kind of naturally mix on its own and seem like an ombre kind of thing, so it'll be lighter inside and then darker outside. Look up while you pat in the concealer so you can get it in between the creases under your eyes. Look at that difference. You can already see it. Ignore the lash, but you can already see the difference of the lightening under my eye. It's much better. We're gonna blend this on top of our forehead. That's part 1. Next is eyes, and I use these 2 for my eyes. This is just any black pencil. You're gonna get it and you're gonna really small, really small. You're gonna get it at the corner of your eye, blink and move up. Delicate strokes. You see how I made that tiny little wing? You can go inward a little more into the eye this way if you want to. And then I use my finger and I just drag it out a little bit. Just drag it out a little bit. Blinking is a very necessary part to it because that's what puts it together. Like that's what like drags out the pencil, if that makes sense. Next, I use Next, I use the Essence Lash Princess Curl and Volume Mascara, the pink one. Take this and you go in. It kind of gives you an immediate manga lashes look, but you gotta be real careful with it because it's mad liquidy, I'd say. Take my mirror and I angle it downward. I angle it downward and I look down and I do it. Also, when I'm doing mascara, I blink on it. Like I go up and blink on it at the same time. It helps with application, just putting it on. One last step, translucent powder. So I use this Ruby Kisses setting powder. I want to get the setting powders that are of my like of a skin colored tone. Get the white powder, I put it in the tap, and then right on the back. Then you go in softly, calmly, no swiping. I don't bake. Basically, when you do this, it should not look white. It will look a little bit whiter, but it should not look white. It should literally just look like a plate of dryness has just been applied onto the thing. That's it. And make sure to look up to get underneath those creases. You're gonna do the same thing on the other side. So basically, you're gonna want to use a majority of the powder under your eye on your hand, and just put that on your forehead to lock in and seal the concealer we put up there. You're gonna want to go in with the mascara one more time. This adds like a dolly kind of cutie effect, so if you don't want that, don't do this, but this is what I do. So basically, you just do the bottom lashes. This one you gotta have ultimate patience, not too heavy of a hand, not too crazy, not too quick. Use this side, you're gonna do it like that. You're gonna move your eyes, move your head like this to guide it a little. There you go. And if you want to, you can go ahead and like spruce up the top a little bit once it dries. There you go. There you have it. Take a brush, small little brush like this. I don't know what kind of brush this is called. I just took it from my mom. And then I use this highlighter. This is the NK New York Perfection highlighter in shade Copper. If you're black and you're dark skin and you like highlighter or use highlighter or whatever, do not go for like a white highlighter. Go for the more orange highlighters. So things like Copper, like this, more brown ones, Champagne, not too much but also not too little, because highlight is like the showstopper of this like whole entire makeup. In the inner my corners of my eyes, do on the other side. And you're also gonna want to like get in there but also come out a little bit too. You're gonna get more. I'm gonna put it at the middle of your nose. If you're black and you've got like a Nubian nose, you're gonna want to, you don't want to go all the way down from here to here like that. You're gonna want to do like middle of that. So starting from like the lower part of your bridge, and you just go down, but not too down, just to like the middle of that. And then you hit the nip of your nose, not too high, not too rectangular, not too low. Last but not least, a little pizzazz that I like to do is to put it under my brow. It kind of makes, I don't know, I feel like a 2000s girl when I do it. And that is it. Just for some like little like talky-telly things to do with your makeup. Do not, and I mean do not, this is something that I've seen people do all the time, which low-key messes your makeup up. Start with cream products, so that being concealer, foundation, yada yada. Start with those cream products and then go to powder. If you're gonna spray in any time, spray on top of the cream products. Your order should be cream, spray, powder, set with a setting powder. So if you're gonna use any sort of powder, make sure it's last. I use highlighter last so it can shine upon the setting the setting powder. This is my favorite lip gloss. This is also NK New York Pure Lip Oil, jojoba, argan oil, and vitamin E, shade Strawberry. Last time I had cherry, this is strawberry now. So yeah, this is my makeup tutorial. Oh, so cute. I'm so fucking cute. That was the makeup tutorial. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, click the subscribe button if you enjoyed the video. And if you did, let me know right now what I should do next, because ideas are slipping out of my mind and I don't know what else to do. Thanks for watching.
Thinking now, tell me about yourself. If you believe in love, I don't want nothing else. Don't deny it. Why don't we try?